learning Kurdish language. Hello everyone. In today's lesson, I'm going to talk about parts of speech in Kurdish language. In order to make you understand things that we have it for writing down in Kurdish, I have to make a comparison between English parts of speech and Kurdish parts of speech, because in every languages we have these parts of speech in order to make a writing to say something. Okay, parts it means parça, av it means ye, speech it means akhawten. Parça kani akhawten. Good. In Kurdish we say parça kani akhawten. Good. Like every other language, we have noun. Good. In Kurdish language we say now for nouns. Now. How we pronounce now? Like this. Now, like Sarah, Ali, Muhammad, John, David. Okay, the second one is adjectives, which help to clarify the noun. In Kurdish we say awal now. Also, it's possible for saying hawal now. Both are the same and correct. How we pronounce awal now and hawal now? Awal now is here. Awal now. Be careful. This is awal. We have to pronounce le. Awal now. Good. The third one is determiner. Determiner in Kurdish we say diyar kher. Diyar kher. Have a look at here. In English language we say that we do not have a kh. We say we must use this symbol, this sign, in order to represent kh sound. Here that's a diyar kher. Diyar kher. Number 4 is verbs or verb. In Kurdish we say kar. Also in Kurdish language it's possible for saying firman. Firman and kar is the same. Good. How we pronounce kar? Like this. Number 5, adverbs. Adverb. In Kurdish language we say awal now. Also hawal now is possible. How we pronounce awal now is awal kar. Adverb it means awal kar. Here we have kar, awal kar. Good. After that we have to go there for pronoun. Number 6 is pronoun. In Kurdish we say j now, and it is possible for saying ra now. Both j now and ra now are the same. Good. How we pronounce j now? J now. J now. Good. Number 7 is prepositions. Also in Kurdish language we have preposition. We say amrazi peywandi. Amrazi peywandi. We pronounce like this. Number 8 is conjunction. Conjunction for connecting nouns or sentence together. Good. In Kurdish we say peybest. Sometimes we say lekener. It's okay, just peybest is the name. How we pronounce it? Peybest is like this. That's a phonetic transcription. Good. Number 9 and number 10, we use it also in Kurdish language. For that reason I mention it, because till here they say that that is the parts of speech. Also we use this one as a kind of parçakani akhawten. Okay, interjection. In Kurdish language we say bankirden, or sometimes we say amrazi hast. Both are correct. Good. How we say bankirden is like here, bankirden. Good. And hast, amrazakani hast. Good. Number 10, which is object. Object. In Kurdish language we say berkar. 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 Good. Right now, as you know that, we have some different nouns. For example, for awal now we have a hawal now. For a verb we have firman also, which is kar and firman. For adverbs we have awal kar and awal now. like the others. When we go on the one by one, I'll mention everything about each of them. For now, let's move to talk about others one by one. The first part of speech is noun. Let's talk about noun in detail. Noun in English, when we translate to Kurdish language, it becomes now. Now, how we pronounce it is like this. According to the structure, we have two types. According to the structure, we have two types of noun. The first one is the simple nouns. Simple, in Kurdish we say sada. This is the phonetic transcription of sada. Sada. Simple noun, it becomes nawi sada. Good. It contains of just one base, one syllable, one part. When we move to the compound nouns, okay, compound nouns, in Kurdish we say nawi lekdraw. Compound, it means lekdraw. Lekdraw, it means joined together. Good. How we pronounce it is like this. Lekdraw. This one contains of two or more syllable or part. Good. That is according to the structure. For example, a simple noun like zana. Zana is a simple noun, just simple. But when we have two or more like that, for example, dalshkau, dalshkau, dalkhoshi. Dalkhoshi contains of two parts. Good. Right now, let me tell you types of noun in Kurdish. When we say noun in Kurdish, we say now. Be careful, please. The first type of nouns is proper noun. In Kurdish language, we say taibat. Proper noun, it becomes nawi taibat. Nawi taibat is used for just a special person. That's a special and is used for just one people or one person. Like John and Sarah. John and Sarah are proper nouns. Good. In Kurdish language, we have a lot of noun, which is just a proper noun, special for just one person. Good. The second one is the common noun. Common noun, in Kurdish language, we say navi gishti. Gishti is for a group or in the general, outside, general. We say gishti, gishti. Like what? Like city. City, we can use it for every city around the world. Gishti, shar. City, it means shar. How we pronounce shar? Shar. Shar. Good. The third one is concrete noun. In Kurdish language, we say berjesta. Berjesta. How we pronounce it? Berjesta. It means that you can touch it. You can touch these things, like this pen. Good. Berjesta. We have knife as berjesta. In Kurdish, for knife, we say chaqo. Chaqo. It is not chaqo. Ko. We say that in English we do not have k sound. We use this sign and this symbol in order to represent the sound of k. K. Chaqo. Chaqo. Good. That's for concrete. The fourth one is abstract noun. Abstract means somehow it's like you cannot touch it. Something you cannot touch it. In Kurdish language, we say watai. Abstract noun, nawi watai. How we pronounce watai? Watai. Because of two yi we have it here. One of them is vowel, one of them is consonant. We have to use both. Yi. Watai. It means we cannot touch it. It's like an imaginary. Good. Like faith. Faith in English, if we translate it to Kurdish, we say bawar. Bawar. we have to represent like bawa. It is not r still. We have to add stress on r to become r. Bawar. It's not bawar. Bawar. Good. That's for number 4. Number 5 is collective noun. Collective, a noun that we use for just a group of people. In Kurdish language, we say komal. Collective noun, we say nawi komal. Komal. How we pronounce it? Koma. L. Be careful of this, please. That is l, not l. That is not komal. Komal. Good. Like what? Like the word tribe. Okay, tribe in Kurdish language, we say hoz. How we pronounce hoz? H-O-S. Good. This is the first part of noun. And then, according to Kurdish language, I think in other languages we have the same, but mostly in Arabic language we have male and female for most of the things in Arabic language. In English also the same, but in Kurdish is like this. We have some noun just that exactly unspecified for boy or male. For male we say ner. Ner, it means male. For example, Ali, Muhammad, Zana is just for male. Good. But Layla is a name for female. Good, which is me. Female is me. How we pronounce is like this, me. Good. It means that we have a gender in noun. But be careful. In Kurdish language, we do not have gender in things. For example, chair, we do not have any gender in it. But in Arabic language, sometimes we have different. For example, if we say tree in Arabic, we say ash-shajara. We have to use a female shape of the name, ash-shajara. But for example, if we say door in Arabic language, bab, bab is male, but shajara or sayyara is female. Be careful, but in Kurdish we do not have this. Fortunately, it will be easy for us. Good. Let me show you some example of it. Good. Tomato in English, okay, is a physical noun. We can touch it, concrete. In Kurdish language, we say tamata. Tamata. How we pronounce it? Tamata. Tamata. Good. Life in English is somehow you cannot touch it. It's abstract noun. Good. Life. In Kurdish language, we say jian. Jian. Good. Is here. This j, yian. Good. River. River. Rubar. Rubar. Have a look at here. We say that in the Kurdish alphabet we have just single wu and double wu. Here I use rubar, which is double wu. But here just till now it's not like this. We have to add 2 dots in order to make rubar. Rubar. Good. Be careful please of that one. Class. Class is a place, or maybe sometimes we use for a group of people, a class of something. Good. Class, it means pol. Pol in Kurdish. This is the phonetic transcription of Kurdish word, pol. And one proper noun for ladies, we have shadi. Shadi. She's my sister. Be careful. Good. Shadi. How we pronounce shadi is here, and sh-a-di. Shadi. That's a proper noun. After noun, we have determiners. Nouns, determiners, and adjectives. Somehow it's just one package, because mostly they come together. Okay? Determiners in Kurdish language, we say diyari ker. Also, we can use diyar kher. Both are correct, okay? But for Kurdish pronunciation of diyari ker, we have to use this one, diyari ker. I use this one right now. Good. Determiners in English divided to two main parts. One of them is article. The other one is demonstrative, while we have some more things for doing this action. Good. But mostly they use these two. Good. Article in Kurdish language, we use amrazi shunas. Article means amrazi shunas, for introducing something or for announcing something. How we say shunas? Shunas. Good. And the other part is demonstrative. In English, we have demonstrative, this, that, and. But be careful. Demonstrative in Kurdish language is mostly adjective. Good. Directly, it becomes adjective. Okay. For that reason, right now I'm talking about article. Good. Article divided to two main parts. One of them is definite article and the other one is indefinite article. Good. Definite article we use it for detecting and showing what is exactly the thing that you mean, and indefinite, something that is unclear, unknown. Good. Let's start from this one. Definite article, in Kurdish we say na sanden. Na sanden, something that you detected. Okay? Definite. Good. How we say na sanden in Kurdish? This is a phonetic transcription of na sanden. I'm going to use the red color for Kurdish word, the black one for English word, and the dark green for phonetic transcription, please. Good. In Kurdish language, for making something definite, we use just two, we can say sign or letters, just this one and that one. Good. The first one is ka. We have to add ka at the end of the word, unlikely English. Now, unlike English, because in English language we use a, sorry, here is the definite article, and the or an, all of them at the beginning of word. But in Kurdish we have to add it to the end of the word. For example, if I say the glass, we use at the beginning of the word and then we use the word, the glass. But in Kurdish we say shushaka. We have to change the position. Good. Glass, it means shusha. The, it means ka. Shushaka. The glass, shushaka. For this one, aka. Aka. For example, if I say the boy, I have to say kuraka. Boy is equal to kur. The here is equal to aka. Kuraka. Good? Please pay attention to this. The comes before the word in English, but this one comes at the end of the word. Shushaka, kuraka, kursiaka, pandanaka, till the end. Good. Let's move to indefinite article. In makes something opposite. That's a prefix. Also in Kurdish we have prefix na. Na, to make something the opposite of the real one. Na sanden becomes nana sanden. It means that you do not know what is it. Good. In Kurdish language we have three main signs, symbol. We use it for making something unclear. Ye, the first one is ye. The second one is yek. These two mostly are the same. In order to make shorter, we use this one. And the last one, which is the third one, is yak. Yak. How we use it? Ye, like this. A boy. A boy. Boy, it means kur. We have to use ye. Kure. It's the same with kurek. Kurek, just a boy. We can use this one or this one. Kure, kchek. Correct. But pay attention to this one, please. Again, in English, we use before the word. In Kurdish language, we use at the end of the word. Good? For the third one, yak. Yak. For example, a glass. Glass, it means shusha. Shusha and add yak. Shushayak. Just one of them. Good? A glass. Shushayak. These are definite and indefinite article in Kurdish language. Okay? Let's try just one. For example, we have to say pandan. Pan, dan, pen. Good. Let's use a pen. If we do like this, we have to say that pan, da, till here is that, but pandanek. If I say the pen, pan, da, naka, pandanaka. This one is definite article and this one is indefinite. Okay, let's move to adjectives. In Kurdish language, we say awal now and hawal now. Both are correct. Good. Awal now, we have to use a le that is not le. Hawal now, again, le, not le. Good. According to the structure, awal now divided to two main parts. The first one is simple, sada. Simple, sada. Simple adjective, awal nawi, sada. How we use this and how we know this is sada, it contains of just one syllable. One syllable, okay, that is sada. Like red, but we have to say in Kurdish, sur. Sur is just one part, and sur. The meaning of sur in English is red. Good. The other one is compound adjectives. Compound, in Kurdish language we say lekdraw. Lekdraw means two syllables are joined or more than two syllables, joined or linked together. Good. For example, dull tongue, in Kurdish language we have more than just one. Dull tongue, which is an adjective, dull tongue, but in English it's just sad. It is possible for having an adjective in Kurdish just contains of one syllable, but when we translate it to English language, become more than one syllable, and vice versa, from English to Kurdish. Good. In adjectives, in Kurdish language, is like the other language and English, we have comparison. We have compare for comparative, and also we have for superlative. How we make this process? In Kurdish language, just by adding terin, at the end of Kurdish word, it becomes superlative. For making comparative form, or making a comparison, we just use ter at the end of the word. We do not have such cases like English for using two different styles, or maybe the third one, which is we have some of them are irregulars. No, just by adding trin to the end of the word, it becomes superlative, and just by adding this one, tir, it becomes comparative. For example, let's try one. Dal khosh. Dal khosh. In English, we say happy. Good. For making a comparative form, just we have to add khosh, dal khosh, tir. Dil khosh tir. That's the comparative form. If I want to make the superlative, just khosh t, and then just let me use this color. Khosh tirin. Dil khosh tirin. In English, dil khosh tir, it means happier. For this one is happiest. Good. Dil khosh tirin, happiest. Dil khosh tir, happier. And dil khosh is just happy. Good. And then in adjectives we have something else. Good. Like English language, for adjective we have quantity and we have quality. Adjectives of quantity and quality. Also in Kurdish language we have the same. How? For quantity we say in Kurdish chen dieti. Chen dieti. This is the phonetic transcription. Chen dieti. Good. For quality we say chonieti. Chonieti. We have it here. Chonieti. Just have a look at this example. For quantity that we have chendeti, for example 4. Number 4 in English. If we translate it to Kurdish, we say chwar. Chwar. How we pronounce chwar is like this. Chwar. For quality, for example, this thing is nice. How we say nice in Kurdish? We say juan. Juan. How we pronounce it is like this. Good. Here I just connected adjective and determiners and a noun together as a kind of example. Just have a look at here, please. For example, the red car. The is article. Just let me use another color, please. Okay, for example, which one is nice? Blue. Good. The is article. Red is adjective. Good. And car is noun. Okay, have a look. In English, the first one is article, the third one is adjective, and the third one, at the end we have noun. But in Kurdish, when we start from this direction, the first one is this. Otombela, otombel. Till here we have otombel. Sur is red, is sur. The is aka. We said that we have to add definite article at the end of the word. And the noun at the beginning, and then in the middle we have adjective. The red car, in Kurdish language we have to say otombela suraka. Otombela suraka. Good. Here, a blue shirt. A blue shirt. Good. Again, this is indefinite article. This is an adjective, and this one is noun. Good. Again, kras is equal to shirt. Good. Blue. Okay. Have a look at here. Kraseci shin. Kraseci shin. Be careful at here. The definite article at the end. But right now, this one is linked to the noun. And this one, change it to the, and move it to the end of the word. This is article again. This one is adjective. And this one is noun. In Kurdish, shirt becomes kras. Blue, shin, a, yek. Kraseci, shin. Okay, right now, let me give you some more examples in order to make you more familiar with all things that we studied before. I mean letters, adjectives, nouns, and also determiners. For example, if I say a good boy, a good boy. Good, a good boy. A is determiner. Good is adjective. And boy is noun. Good. In Kurdish language, we say kurechi bash. Kurechi bash. How we pronounce it, just let me tell you. Ku, re, ye, ki, bash. That is the phonetic transcription for Kurdish bash. How we write in Kurdish language, for example, let me use this color, for example. K, that's for K. K. U, ku, re, kure, ye, kure, ki, kurechi, bash, ba, sh. Okay, just let me show you. Now, green one, get. Kurek, kur is boy, just for boy. Have a look. In Kurdish language, we start from the right to left, and English from the left to right. Good. Have a look. Is here. Adjective is here. The noun is here at the end, but in Kurdish, we have to start with the noun. Okay? Kur, yek is a. Good is bash. Have a look at the position that they changed from English to Kurdish. Another one. When we say pandani rush. Okay, this is 3 dots. In Kurdish, we use this instead of 3 dots. Pandani rush. How we say in English? Get. Pandan is the noun. We have to start from the other side in English. Rush. Rush, it means black. Good. Pandan, it means pen. Good. Black pen, pandani rush. If we want to change it to definite or indefinite way, just let me show you. If I say a black pen, here I have to add pandanek. Here, pandanichi rush. If I say the black pen, here I have to use pandana rashaka. I have to use pandana rashaka. Have a look. This one is the. Pandan is pen. Rush is black. Pandana rashaka.